Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to delete messages on iPhone from both sides. So let's get started. Unfortunately, on iPhone's Messages app or iMessage or SMS, you can only delete messages from your own device. The other person will still see them. But if you're using a third-party apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, or Instagram, you can delete messages for both sides if it hasn't been too long since sending. Here, you can open the chat in the app. Then press and hold the message that you want to remove. Then select unsend or delete for everyone. Wording may differ depending on the app. On iMessage, though there's no unsend option yet, you can only delete it from your phone. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.